Hey everybody, and welcome back to Ziva Styles. In this video I'm going to be making a Halloween themed chip bag. Something that is for both kid friendly as well as adult friendly. First, what I'm going to do is make a custom, what is this, barcode. So let's go ahead and go to format and go to crop. I'm just going to go ahead and take these you know what? You could go ahead and crop the numbers out. You could do that. Now the numbers are gone. And then let's go to inserts, word art. And I downloaded some Halloween font. If it just let me go to it. Of course, we want these to be black. And we could put that down there. That's one. Well, I'm gonna leave it there. Okay. Now we're making this kid friendly. So yeah, let's make a kid friendly one first. Because kid friendly is very different from an adult theme party, okay? Two different things. So let's insert a border. Let's go to shapes, and of course we want rectangle, shapes, rectangle. Good. All right. And I guess we want our main color to be orange, I'm supposing, I'm guessing. Let's get rid of the outline. A little bit big. All right, let's go ahead, copy. Paste. And then if you wanted to add an accent color on the border, you could just copy it. Of course, again, copy it again. And let's paste this. Let's do purple. Purple's another color you usually see. Let's do a dark purple. All right, let's copy that little line, paste it. All right, and if you're on the Patreon page, of course, all of these images are going to be available to you. So, what do we want on this? What do we want this to say? Happy Halloween? All right, let's just do Happy Halloween. Let's go back down to the spooky font. Hmm. All right, that's the middle. Don't really. All right, let's do the orange. Where's the orange? All right, that's a little better. All right, Happy Halloween. Inserts. More word arts. Thanks so much. Yeah, let's bring this forward. Oh man, that's got a white background. Alright, let's try to, nope, that was not a PNG. Let's get rid of that. Alright, let's try to put this witch over here, but let's change it. Let's go to formats, recolor. Let's make her purple. Alright. Ooh, no, let's change her to orange. Okay. Alright, that looks good. Okay, so this was a really simple, as you see, quick, kid-friendly chip bag. So let's go ahead and change this to something that's a little more, you know, grown up. Alright, so already that just looks crazy. Like, ooh, no, that's too much. Okay. Alright, that looks great. Now let's change this border colors to, I guess, a dark red. It's not really the color. Let me see. Alright, much better. No outline. Alright, now I did download another font. Yo, I forgot the name of the other font. Oh, nope, there you go. I think it can only be all caps lock. Alright, no outline. Maybe we do need the outline. Alright, let's take the words out for a minute. The words is throwing me all off. Okay, words gone. Alright, now let's see some of these images that I have. No, not really matching. Nope. Not bad, actually. I can use that for the front. Alright, so let's crop that on out. Let's go to format, crop, get rid of this down here. Alright, so that's not bad. Okay. Alright, much better. Now let's go to inserts. Word art again. Oh, excuse me. Let's change the words to I'm just going to copy and paste it, but you know, of course, change the letters. And that is, I guess, the more grown-up one. But as always, you can go to Google, get some ideas. There's nothing wrong with it. This is the website that I came on to get the fonts. This font right here is called CF Halloween. And the other font is the Spooky font. But as you see, this website has a ton of other fonts. And the website is thefont.com. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. All of these images and things will be on my Patreon page.